Hi everyone, in this video we going to discuss error detection technique method, that is CRC. Today session is going to understand how to generate a CRC and also check the error in a CRC. The generation of a CRC is mainly a responsibility of a sender. Let's start the session by knowing the type of a error detection. We having a four type of error detection. First one is VRC, LRC, checksum and then CRC. Final error detection method is a CRC. So in the CRC method, for any error detection method, we are going to append the redundant bit with the message, because the redundant bit only enable the receiver to check whether there is any error or not. Likewise, CRC also generates some redundant bit. In this redundant bit, specifically called as a CRC. Let's solve the problem. Find the CRC for the data block 100,100 with the divisor 110. The protocol for the sender and the receiver together accept the divisor. The divisor must know to both the sender and the receiver. Based on the divisor only, the CRC is going to generated. For this, we having a set of rules. So first rule is find the length of a divisor L. So next, the divisor L is append the length of the divisor minus 1 bit to the original message. Then third one is binary division operation going to perform that one. Fourth one, the remainder of the division operation is our CRC. Suppose we having the length of the divisor is 4. So we going to append with our original messages 4 minus 1. That means 3 zeros are appended with your original messages. So in this third point, binary division operator. What is meant by binary division operator? That means we going to perform a XOR operation. For XOR operation, the logic gate of that XOR operation is A, B and then A XOR of B. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So, for exclusive OR, the same input means the output for this one is 0. If we have a different input means the XOR operation performance is 1. Let's solve the question. First one. So, find the CRC for the data block 100,100 with the divisor 1101. In this one is a data block and this one is a divisor part. So, for this data block 100,100 and then divisor is 1101. So, for this length of the divisor is 4. So, how many bit we are going to append? So, L minus 1 bit. That means 4 minus 1 equal to 3 bits are going to append with the data block 0, 0, 0. Before that, we are first of all think that one. The first bit is a 1. So, we put 1 on the quotient. So, 1 with one divisor block is 1101. So we going to perform a XOR operation. So same bit means we having a same input means the output of this XOR is a 0. Then 0. We in this we having a different input. So for output of this one is 1. So for in this we having a same input. So the output of this one is 0. The last one part is the most significant part is omitted from this session. So again we drop down this 0. So first check this one as a 1. So we put a 1 on the quotient part. So 1 1 0 1. So now going to perform a XOR operation. So 0 1 means 1, 0 0 is 0, 0 1 and 1. So 0 0 is 0. So we omit this part. Then again we drop down this 0. From the starting bit is 1. So we put a 1 on the quotient block. 1 1 0 1. So we perform a XOR operation. 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1, 0 1 in the sense 1, then 0 0 is 0. So we drop down this one. So again we drop down this 0 1. Okay, so in this first part is 1. So we put 1 on this question part. So 1 1 0 1. So again perform the XOR operation. 0 1 in the sense 1, 1 0 in the sense the output of this is 1. In this we having a same input. Same input means we performing the XOR operation. The output of this is 0. Then 1 1 is 0. So we truncate this one. What we placed in this here is 0. So the question, we put a 0 on the question. 0 into 1101 is we put 0 0 0. So we drop down this 0. So we having a 4 zeros. So we perform again XOR operation. 0 0 in the sense 0, 1 0 in the sense 1 1 and then 0. We omit this one. So again we drop down this 0 in this one. So quotient will be a 1 1 1 0 1. So what will be the answer? 1 0 0 0. We omit this. So our final CRC is 0 1 0 0 1. This is our remainder, and also this is our CRC, where 100 is an actual message, but 001 is our CRC. This is a message 100 What should be? We need to transmit it. Next one, how receiver check the error in a CRC technique. This transmitted a message received by the receiver without any transmission error. Now we focusing on how the receiver comes to know these are no error in the transmission. Before itself we discuss we having a both sender and receiver have a same divisor. So our divisor is a 1101. This is our message block, and 001 is a CRC block. So we need to attach this one. The receiver get all the zeros in the remainder. The receiver understand there is a no transmission error. The receiver accepts the data what it was sent. So the receiver conclude no error found during the transmission. Let this break down this problem. So same concept. If we having a 1 in a first bit, then put a 1 on a quotient. So 1 1 0 1. So to performing the XOR operation, 1 1 is an a 0, 0 0 0 1, and then last bit is a removal bit. Then drop down the 0. So again 1 will be in there, 1 1 0 1. So we going to perform XOR operation again and again. Zeros and 1 is a 1, then 0, then 1, and then 0. Again we are going to this one. So put 1 on this quotient, 1 1 0 1. So 0 1 in the sense 1 1 in 1 and 0 in the sense 1 1 and 0 in the sense 1. This one is 0. Then drop down this 0 for 1. So we put 1. So 1 1 0 1. 0 1 in the sense 1 1 1 0 and then a 0. So we having a 0 on the first place. So we put 0 on the quotient side. So 1 1 0 1. So we performing XOR operation 0 1 in the sense 1, 0 1 in the sense 1, 1 1 in the sense 0, again 0 1 in the sense 1. Sorry, we are having a small mistake. For 0 we put 0 in all sides. Okay, so 0 0 in the sense 0, 1 0 in the sense 1, 1 0 in the sense 1. So 0 in the sense 1 0 in the sense 1. So 0 0 in the sense 0. So again drop down this one part. So for 1 we put 1 on this. So 1 1 0 1. So for this one 1 1 is a 0 0 0 0 0. So for this receiver got all zeros in their remainder. That means receiver accept the data what it was sent. If we get a non-zero values like this 0 0 1 0 or 1 1 0, if we get a non-zero values, there is a error in the transmission. Thank you.